Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking you inside a real ear cleaning session, but this one's not your average visit. What started as a simple checkup turned into one of the deepest ear blockages we've seen this month. Our client today is Daniel. He came in complaining about pressure in his right ear and a strange ringing sound. No pain, but he said his hearing has dropped to nearly 30%. His job? A music producer. That makes this even more urgent. And yes, like many people, he thought using cotton buds was helping. Now we begin. First, a quick examination with the otoscope. And right there, a large, dark blockage deep inside, almost fully sealed. This was no ordinary wax buildup. It was impacted. This kind of wax can take months to build, and if left untreated, it could lead to infections or permanent hearing damage. But don't worry, we've got the tools and the technique. We start by softening the wax. A few drops of warm saline solution, then we let it sit for 5 minutes. Once it's ready, we begin extraction with microsuction. Carefully, slowly. We want precision, not speed. Here it comes. The wax starts to lift, and wow, it's thicker than expected. No wonder Daniel couldn't hear. You never know what's hiding in your ear until you look inside. Just when we thought it was all out, there's something deeper. Now this is risky. One wrong move, and we could damage the eardrum. So we switch to the fine tip suction and work with absolute focus. Bit by bit, we ease it out, until finally, it's free. Daniel's hearing? Fully restored. He couldn't believe how quiet the world had gotten, and how loud it suddenly felt when his ears were clear again. Remember, clean ears mean clear sound, but always do it safely and professionally. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more real stories from inside the ear.